Hi guys, in the last special we discussed our plans for this winter. In the meanwhile, slow motion did get out of the water and has been cleaned. Now we can continue. After the necessary demolition work, the keel could be removed. This will be reused for a new keel later during the project. With everything removed, she looks a bit clean, doesn't she? In a special corner at the boatyard, we will now work on several bits at a time with our crew. On board we work on removing the old bulkheads. These had their best time, as you can see. Nearby is the mast located. This will also be refitted later during the project. All the lines and parts are being removed for the winter. That's it for this special now. Hope to see you next time. So keep following us on Facebook and YouTube.